Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to fix the Bluetooth pairing issues on your Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 FE. Bluetooth pairing issue actually is a thing that occurs on many earbuds, many types of earbuds, even on the AirPods, even on the Samsung Buds, JBLs, everywhere. And there's one simple, easy way to fix them. And we have to start with opening the settings. Here, connect devices. As you can see, I am paired with my Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 FE, but I'm not connected actually. I'm only paired, and I can't communicate with. This is a different issue, but we can fix it too. At first, tap this gear icon near your earbuds and tap forget. Then forget device to confirm, and now our device is completely forgotten from the phone. So now tap pairing device and just wait. Close the case lid so that your headphones will refresh. Open your case and hold the circle button at the bottom of your case until you see these LED lights. When you see it, close the case. It should be red, green, blue, red, green, blue, red, green, blue. And I am talking about this circle button right there. After this thing, we have to do the same, but now without closing the case. Now we are in the pairing mode and our headphones are completely factory resetted. Factory reset is like, for example, here in this headphones, factory reset is that you have to hold the circle button until you see this LED light. You have to close the case, then open it and do the same. Now, as you can see, we are in the pairing mode and our headphones are factory resetted, and here they are in the available devices list. Try pairing them. Tap pair. Here, now they work, and that's nice. If your work too, let me know. But apart from that, if it still doesn't work for you or you still have pairing issues, what I do recommend doing here is that you have to tap this gear icon right there, tap forget again, go back, scroll all the way down to the connection preferences, Bluetooth, disable Bluetooth, restart your device, and do the same procedure with your headphones. If after that it still doesn't work, you have to contact the device support, Samsung company of course, because your device is just broken and you need a new pair of earbuds or just have them repaired. That's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye.